You want to save all the Play-Doh? It's Christmas Play-Doh. What does it smell like?
Cinnamon.
Here, put the Play-Doh in the bag, baby.
I think you just have to take the top off. Just take all the stuff off the top and see what's in there.
It's just. It's the Minecraft.
What kind of Minecraft?
It's just a test. There's no canvas.
Wow, somebody must have been a good boy.
Yeah.
Look at all that stuff.
And I think I still have more after this, Mom. Do I?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, grandma's.
Yeah. I already have her.
You have her already?
Yep.
Well, we need to find some place to put them all. You can give the ones you already have to David.
And we still have our stuff.
Did he fill up your stocking?
These are hard to Y'all ain't gonna open y'all place?
We're going to watch you first.
I'll be there for a year.
Don't use your teeth. You need Daddy to get your little scissors?
I'll go get them.